Anniversary. Oh, you want to see him? Are you excited to see him? Huh? Are you excited to see Migo? Huh? What about Mamsi? Are you excited to see her? Papsi also is there. Yes. You will see them today. You'll go with us. Ooh. So you're excited? Huh? Yes, we will watch you the whole day. Huh? But only in the hospital. Huh? Is it okay? Is it okay? Huh? You'll see Inigo. Ooh, excited? Yes, you're excited to see Inigo? Huh? Oh, yes. He's also excited to see you. Mm-mm. Inigo, your twin brother, is so guapo. You know? You know that? But you're also so pretty. Are you excited to see him? Are you excited to see him? Huh? Oh, what about Mamsi? Mamsi? You also want to see Mamsi? Yes? Huh? Tell Mamsi not to think anymore, huh? Para her blood pressure will not shoot up. Huh? Ah, you tell Mamsi, huh? Huh? And you say, you tell Papsi, thank you for taking care of Mamsi, huh? Huh? You tell Papsi, huh? Huh? Are you excited to see them, baby? Huh? Are you excited to see them? We're going out today. You. We're going out today. Are you excited, baby? Are you excited? Huh? Oh, oh, you're sleepy. Are you will not na lang sama with us? Huh? Not na lang? Huh? Iwan ka na lang? Ay, sus, Mariosep, bless you, my dear. How's that? How's that? Feels good? Feels good, baby? Feels good? Mommy, what are you doing? Mommy, what are you doing? Mommy, what are you doing?